Wow.
Is that for you?
Wow.
They're angry.
They're angry. What's that?
Monopoly villains.
It's a Monopoly villain.
Is it like chess?
No, it's a Monopoly. Yeah, yeah, it's a board game, like chess. Hello everyone. Josh received on his birthday this Monopoly, the Disney Villains Edition, and today we're going to unpack it for you guys and show it to you. Wow.
Oh, this is already ripped.
See, you have the money.
With stickers.
Sticker coins.
Whoa, 1,
Yeah.
5, 10, 10.
And then you have the board.
I'll choose 1. I'll choose 1, please.
That's not how you play.
Oh,
Okay, you put the word Jaws. Oops. See? Here. Oops, number 7. Here's the board. You have the board here, and then you have the cards. Where are the cards? So Joseph hasn't played Monopoly yet. So he doesn't know how this works. So we have here the cards. I forgot also.
oh, no way to
How
go.
to... Oh, you have... Look at this.
Can I get also on my birthday? I can have alphabet lore on
Just
next
what did you
year.
do with the coins? So you have here the coins. These are the coins. I don't know. And then you have the instruction here.
Okay, here
So
you
it's
are.
for 8 plus. But how old are you?
There are 2 types of
Okay. So
7.
grab the flames of power and use your ability. Hire villains to build a truly wicked team. Take villainous shortcuts. Okay, set it up. The bank's money.
The tickets.
You have to choose who is the banker. So we're going to play with the kuya, the aunties. The bank's money, tickets, layers, property cards, and then auctions. Okay, and so yeah, banker give each player five of these, and then 5 of these too, and then keep the rest of the money in the box as the bank. Shuffle the chance cards. So the chance cards are, okay, you have the chance cards here, the chance cards, and place them face down here. And then shuffle the poison apple cards. So here, then you have to get it from here and place them face down here. Here, this is where you put the
coin.
the chance cards, and this is where you put the poison apple cards.
The poison apple card.
And then each player choose a character. Place your chosen character token on the go. Here, you have a character here. So you have several characters. These are the villains characters. Do you see them? Do you know who these are? You cannot see them clearly, but these are villains. Okay, so you choose a character. Each player will choose this one of these, and then put here in the go. Where is the go? Okay.
And this is where you put also the cards.
Here, the go. Sorry, the go is here. The go. So you put the character here. And then 6, put the die in the flames of power by the game board.
But
This
do you have
one.
a die?
Yeah, the die is here. And here is the die. There's only one. I saw it earlier.
But they cannot see it.
Here. You see it? There's a die. And then this is the flames of power. The flames of power. So you put that and the die here. Here, outside. Outside. And then that's number 6. And then you play. You read? Can you read that? How to win.
Be the last player with money when all other players have gone bankrupt.
Who goes first?
Each player rolls the die. The highest roller starts and play moves to the ladder.
So you place your go here, you start here, and you move here, depending on the number of the die. Okay, and then on your turn, what do you do on your turn?
On my turn is to roll the die.
You roll the die.
Move your token clockwise that number of spaces.
Okay, so if the die, like you got 2 in the dice, you move 2 spaces.
Where
1, 2.
If you have landed, carry out the rules of that board space.
Okay, board
See the board spaces, and then your turn ends. Pass the die to your left.
Okay, carry your turn ends. Pass the die. See the board spaces. So here also, if you land here, it means it is the, what is this again? Poison apple card.
Poisoned apple.
So if you land here, you have
The chance.
your chance card. You get the chance card. And so in blah blah blah.
Chill.
So choose that.
Just
The
visiting.
board spaces. So these are the meaning of the board spaces. There are 2 types of properties. Villain contracts, which come in color sets, and utilities, which are spells and potions. Unknown properties. Ito yung mga properties. Unknown properties, when you land on a contract no one owns, you must buy it. Pay the price on the board space.
Yeah.
Pay the price on the board space. And take the contract card. If you can't afford to pay, you are bankrupt and out of the game. Return any cards at the bottom of the appropriate deck. When you land on a utility no one owns, you must buy it. Pay the price on the board space and take that utility card. If you can't afford to pay, you are bankrupt and out of the game. Return any cards at the bottom of the appropriate deck. Collect color sets. When you own each contract in a color set, you can double the rent for those contracts. And you, can you read that?
When you land on a property that someone else owns, the owner must ask for you for rent. If they do, you must pay. If they don't ask before the next player rolls the die, then you don't have to pay. You cannot pay even if they don't ask before the player that rolls the die.
Yeah. These are the villain contracts. Pay the rent shown on the contract card. Damatuwa. Like that, oh. So these are the characters. And then this is the utility, spells and potions. Roll the die to determine rent. If the owner has 1 utility, rent is the amount of the die roll. If the owner has 2 utilities, rent is double the die roll. Okay. So it's a very long. The instruction is very long. So I think it's simpler than the regular Monopoly. Actually, this is simpler than the original Monopoly. I mean the regular
How do I
one.
open this?
Yeah, we'll open it. We're not playing it now. We're gonna open it next time because if you open it now, you will lose all of these. So that's all. Did you like your gift, the Monopoly set? That's nice, no? Yeah.